So let's start the session for today. Welcome. So we have 165 people. Welcome. My name is Shailesh Sharaf. So let's discuss, obviously, first. Yes, Mr. Kunjan, what is your good evening? How can I help you? Mr. Kunjan Gupta. Maybe Manish, whenever next we announce, you can do it. We have not announced the next dates. I am mute. Have you muted everybody?
Yeah, everybody is web. This is webinar, na? So they have
muted you. Yeah. If you want, do you want to speak to me, Mr. Kunjan Gupta? I have subscribed to 50 large cap strategy plan. How do I use it? Did you take training, Manish, with my people one-to-one? Yeah, it is very good. MF buying strategy is very good. Sham Ramadan, you have to sell the day call comes. So after the call comes, it's already 5 days now. The call came 5 days before. So the day the call comes, that is the day you have to act. How do I find good companies? There are thousands of public listed companies in the Indian stock market. That is what we teach. Okay, so let's start the session. I think so I've got enough questions. So let's start. Today we will share something very interesting, which is obviously the first thing we want to share about the market. Please put the... So as per our Nifty strategy, we had given a wonderful call here. On this day, the sell call was generated in the app. People who have bought, who are attending, it was generated at 9535. And now it is time to book profits because yesterday they bought something. So we booked profits today at 8950. So it was a 600-point gain in Nifty. It's a wonderful strategy. I just want to ask for 177 people, how many people understand Nifty futures and Nifty options? If you don't understand, don't say no. How many people understand in this group? Out of 180 people, how many understand? Okay, 1, 2. Only 2 people understand Nifty option, Nifty futures who trade. You trade in Nifty option, Nifty futures? 7. Who trade? Just say yes. Who trade? 10, 11, 14, 15, 17, 19, 20, 21, 22, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, about 30 people, I think so now. So out of only about 20% people understand Nifty and trading Nifty. So I highly recommend you guys, you should take one-to-one training from my, that's free, that one-to-one training for 1-2 hours and understand this strategy. Okay, it's a great strategy. It is back tested. It is very good. Okay, so you can understand the direction of Nifty. We give calls in Nifty. So it's a great strategy. You should really learn one-to-one. Okay, let's understand the market. So we had given a call here and definitely we should now time to book profits now. So you can book profits in this Nifty call. It was a great call which came here. So I think so Nifty again has risen. Why it has risen is, can you show the US markets?
Yeah.
If you see the US markets, US market is at high, but it is not broken. So it breaks this high, then we might see a very big upturn because it has already fallen twice. This is the third time it is at the high. Okay. And if this breaks this level, which is, what is this level? This low level, 4 days back. Go back, go back, go back, go back, go back, go back, back. Because now, either right.
High or low? High or low?
Low, low, low.
Low, this.
No, this one, right one.
This one?
Yes. So 2760, if it breaks 2760, then Nifty will also fall. Please remember that. Okay, so we are at a very big juncture. The market is trading in a range right now. So if it breaks 2760, then Nifty will go sharply down. So please be aware of this thing in the market. So right now the market is given a good correction, but this is the condition. I'm not very bullish about the market. That is my call. I'm personally not very bullish about the market right now. Okay, so please start seeing S&P futures. It is a free chart available in investing.com. Go and check S&P futures. So 5 days, the markets had gone big. So this is a very important thing which you have to see. So 5 days America was okay. That is why we were rising today. Okay. So Nifty, or if you have a knowledge of Nifty open interest and you have a knowledge of the American markets, then you can really combine and become a very good Nifty trader. Okay. Nifty open interest means that what are the big guys? What is the F2 and doing? That is also in the app. I'll show you the app. Why did the market rise today? So there was a big sell. If you see the Nifty trend, we update the data. So if you become our customers, you can know what is going to happen in Nifty. And this is why it is important today, is because everybody wants to know what is going to happen to Nifty. So a basic idea of Nifty is very important. So how do you decide whether Nifty will go up and down? So according to my experience of many years, I see two things. One, definitely I see the Nifty open interest. So whenever, if you see yesterday, day for yesterday, they had a position of 2,47,000 and yesterday they bought 80,000 contracts. So that means they were already booking profits in a very big way. So that is why the market went up very strongly today. So seeing this data every day, and we have converted a strategy on this, back tested this strategy for last 4 years, and I'll show you the returns of that strategy. Show me the PPT. Show the app. What is that strategy? What is it? Just show it to them first. This is very important right now for the next 6 months, because if you don't have knowledge of Nifty and you buy certain shares and Nifty goes into a sell trend, it falls very, very strongly. Yeah, next slide. Next slide.
Yeah.
Next slide.
Yes.
Next slide. So basically, there are 50 positive months. We back tested it. So we have created a strategy where 40 months we are making money. 40 months we are making money. Okay. So it's a wonderful strategy which has been created. Obviously 10 times you will lose money. It is a hit ratio of 80%. So by buying this strategy, understanding the Nifty trend regularly, by attending my weekly webinars, you will understand what is the short-term movement of Nifty. You will get an idea. See, next 6 months, we have to wait till the code. I think so all the companies, they are all closed down. So obviously everything will be affected. The sales, everything will be affected. Don't see any opening also from 1st June because of the way the COVID is increasing. I think so Mr. Modi has decided till the COVID does not decrease, because if you check, the COVID in India is continuously increasing. Can you please go to Worldometer, please?
Yes.
I don't recommend, if you're not trading in Nifty and you're a small investor, I don't recommend then to trade in Nifty. You just get an understanding of Nifty by buying the app and understanding it. Don't trade, but understand that whether the market is up and down, which will give you a better idea. Because you have to have some knowledge of Nifty if you want to be in the stock market. Or you will always be dependent on others, TV, to tell you if the market is going to go up and down. Where we are giving you super strategies, every week we are telling you what we are supposed to do. Go to India, click India, go down, go down, go down, go down, Vikash. Vikash, are you there? Vikash, are you there? I think so we lost him. He'll come back on the internet. So basically, you know, if you check, Pratik or Tamal, can you please call Vikash? I think so we lost his internet. Yeah. Vikash, are you back?
Yes, yes.
If you see, the cases are rising every day. Yesterday, BM 6,000. So the cases are continuously rising. So till the cases of India will keep rising, I don't think so the lockdown will open. Now, if you see, when will the lockdown close? I'll show you certain countries. Can you show Italy? Italy just opened last week. Why did they open? I'll show you.
Yes.
I can't see Italy. It is still in India.
Yeah. It's taking time, sir. Just a second.
Please show the chart, please. Vikash, are you there? Yes, no? Sorry, the internet is slightly slow because of maybe we are having a massive hurricane in Calcutta. Okay, you see, why did they open? Because now they have already gone. If you see the graph is already low. From 6,000 cases, they've gone. So when India graph will come down, then they will open. So you need at least another month, 1.5 to open. Sorry, my mother doesn't know that I'm in a class. Mother's love, huh? So she's coming and feeding me. Right? So till the time the graph doesn't come down, I don't think so Mr. Modi will open. And this is, even if you open, we'll go into more danger. So seeing this trend, I don't see the trend changing in the next 10 days. Even if the trend changes, I think so we'll only see opening in July or August. Okay, so if that is the market, that means 3 months of closing period, the balance sheets and the results which is going to come out in July or August is going to be terrible. And when those profits figures will come, we will see a huge downtrend in the market. This is my view. The only thing right now, the vaccine and the US market now breaking 2.9, 2950 levels, 2970 levels, if it breaks up very clearly and we find a vaccine, then we can see India going up. Okay, so if India will go up, we will not go up above 9,800 levels. Vikas, are you there? Vikash? I think so. We are losing him because of the internet. Vikash? 1 second, huh? I'm getting a call. 1 second. Hello? Hello? Sorry, I thought they are calling me from office. Vikash, are you there? Sorry, friends, we have a very big hurricane going on. I think so. The internet is fluctuating. Can you hear me? Can everybody hear me? Yes.
Yes, sir.
Okay, so this is a important perspective which everybody wanted. So I'm giving you. Now we'll go to a very important thing which you can learn, how to see mutual fund data and pick quality stocks. Would you like to learn how to see mutual fund data and pick quality stocks? Now, mutual fund data, the shareholding pattern is released every the shareholding pattern is released every quarter. So on 31st March, they are supposed to release everything on 21st of April. Due to the COVID scenario, the government extended till 15th May, the shareholding pattern. Now, most of the companies, the shareholding pattern is already out. Okay, so I'll show you the institution data. Can you please show them the institution? Yeah.
This one PPT or directly?
Yeah. Can you make it bigger, please? So institution holding data comes with a shareholding pattern every quarter. So once you understand it, you can take that what are institutions buying or selling. It's a very important parameter. And there is something very interesting which I want to show you. So if you see the institution shareholdings, stock with a large amount of institution are often looked upon favorably. Large entities frequently employ a team of analysts to perform detailed and expensive financial research before the group purchases a large stock of a company's buy. This makes the decisions influential in the eyes of potential investors. Okay, so we were able to combine the data of about 400 companies. Details have come. So we were able to combine the data. Can you please go to the next slide? Vikash, can you hear me? I think so. The line is getting disconnected. Vikash? I think so. The line is getting disconnected, so he cannot listen.
Very sorry.
Vikash, can you give me the PPT so that I can do the PPT while you or your line gets disconnected? Vikash? Sorry, friends. Today, I think so. Because of the cyclone, the internet connection, because I'm at one place, my person is at one place. Vikash, are you online right now? He's changing it. I think so. So basically, I'll tell you about the institution while he comes. So basically, when he's made it big. Can you go to the next slide, Vikash? Yeah. So what are the different types of institutions? So which data is? So one is mutual fund data is released every quarter. Another data is released is the financial institution data. foreign institution data, sorry, and rest is all others. And then we have the total. So in our app, we give 4 types of data. Okay. So one is mutual funds, one is foreign portfolio investors, one is others, and then you have the data of
Total.
Okay. So these are 4 data which you have to see. So I'll show you in the. Can you show them the Excel?
App.
Excel.
Excel.
So now we will focus on how to see the data and buy some good stocks.
Yes.
So we have made the data. Okay. Have you put the crores also?
Put the crores. Yeah. This is a change. Crore. Yeah. This is in crore.
Okay. Can you?
Is that
Can you put from both? So if you see, we have the MF and we have the institution data. Both have to be plus. Can you put from highest MF, please? Highest MF change.
value wise?
Yeah.
Okay.
The highest MF change, right?
We have to take both positive, no?
Value wise, yeah. This is what we made, Santoshji. You can't get this. It takes a lot of time to make it. We need a lot of data.
Yes.
Okay, so if you see, Bharti Airtel is what they bought. MF has bought 4,400 crore, and the institution change is also 17,000 crore, correct?
Correct.
Basically, they have bought a lot of Bharti Airtel. A lot of Bharti Airtel.
Bharti Airtel is in sell, huh? In our category. Because last time company has lost.
Choose the category near the value.
Okay.
Can you do that?
Yeah.
So if you see, there is the change.
Just a second. Yeah.
Yeah. So if you see, they have bought mutual funds about 4,400 crore rupees in 3 months. This data is from 1st January till 31st March. Okay. So basically, this is the shareholding pattern. This amount has been converted by us, that how much have they bought, because if the shareholding has increased, that means they have bought. So total institution change, MF change is this. Where is F2?
No, we are not taking S2. We are taking institution and MF.
Okay. So they have bought Bharti Airtel, but in my app, it is showing as Mr. Shravan Kumar. I think so. You're becoming very, sorry to say, Mr. Shravan Kumar, I've been observing you. Be very kind, please. Thank you very much. I think so. You're coming for the first time. So please be respectful. This data only came here today. So we made it data for everybody's benefit. Okay. So please be respectful, Mr. Shravan Kumar. I don't think so. You've attended my previous seminars. So you don't know my knowledge. Okay. Thank you very much for your respect. We made this data very, very quickly for everybody so that we can share with everyone. Okay. You're not paying me to do things. Sorry, friends, we have some people who are very, very disrespectful, so I have to keep my self-respect. He has messaged twice. So please be very careful, Mr. Shravan Kumar. If you don't like it, you can please leave the seminar. This is what we are teaching. You don't want to learn, Mr. Shravan Kumar. This is what we are teaching you here, how to pick up stocks from mutual funds. And so let's put him out of the group.
Okay, okay.
Okay, so basically, when you see the mutual fund data, when we see the mutual fund data, you can actually decide what mutual funds are buying, and you can decide what 3 months your strategy can be. Because if the mutual funds are buying, you have a safety net. You have a safety net, what we are supposed to do. Okay, so Prahlad, what happens is in the MF data, what happens, Prahlad, is that in the MF data, which comes monthly, we don't get the FPI data. So what happens is, I'll show you, if you see, the MF is plus and the institution is plus, but you check here, in ICICI Bank, what has happened is, the MF is plus, but the institution is minus. Can you check this? Okay, so this is what we have to be careful with the institutions. So both should be plus. Both should be plus to buy. So I'll show you the app. Go to the app also. So whoever is my customers, you have to see both plus, that MF is buying and the total institution is buying. So you get 4 people. One is what happened, where I have lost some money, which I want to share certain experience, is that when MF is buying, and when the institutions are, when the FPI is selling, that is a very dangerous time. It is a very dangerous time, right? So you don't know that on a monthly basis, but on a quarter basis, you know that what is the net position. Okay, so I'll show you one Bharti Airtel. I'll show you Bharti Airtel. So 15th May, so data is coming every day. We only have 4 at we'll be keep updating this data. So we had made it very quickly for everybody so that we can show it properly. So if you see, this is already updated in our app. So annual MF is increased. This is the quarter MF from December. This is increased and the total institution is increased. So even Bharti Airtel is being bought by MF. It is also bought by foreign institutions and the total percentage is also increasing. So you have to see all should be plus. Okay, I'll show you another example where FPI institution is minus. Give me another example where institution is minus. That was ICICI Bank, right? Check ICICI Bank, but the institution was minus, right? Just check in the app.
Yeah. Yeah.
So this is all okay. Good question, Vijayji. So basically, institution is not a fundamental data. Institution is not a fundamental data of the company. So the fundamentals of the company all knows the Bharti Airtel is in fundamental is in a very bad shape because of the loan and the debt which it has. So fundamentally, it is not a very good company. What we are trying to show you is that what we will show at the final at 5:30 is that buy those shares which is strong buy in the app, which is also the mutual funds are buying. So we become as a safety net. Okay, so if you check this, okay, if you check this, quarterly MF is 1.63 and quarterly institution is -6.4. Did you get this? Quarterly MF is 1.63 and quarterly institution is minus. That means if you see FPI has sold 2%. So this is not a very good thing. Whenever MF is buying, the institution should increase. That means they have been selling this share in the net position. That's why if all is plus, if MF is plus, FPI is plus, and this is plus, that is the best thing what we want to teach you. So how to see this data every quarter? Okay, now I'll go to the Excel sheet. Show us the strong buys. Excel, go to the Excel sheet now. Show the total shareholding only. Show the shareholding only.
Percentage.
This is the shareholding.
Or
right?
amount.
Not amount, only shareholding.
Can you see the? Yeah.
Fourth. Can you see what we have done is this is how we categorize it. So these are all the strong buys and buys. How many companies are there like this? Where both are plus.
47. 47.
7 companies in my app. It is strong buy and buy, and the institutions have also bought those shares. So these 47 companies, you please check on the left side. This is what I would recommend. Cholamandalam, Shree Cement, Titan, ICICI Lombard, Indian Energy Exchange, Canfin, KEI, Redico, Procter Gamble, Wipro, Atul, Kajaria, Wrights, HDFC AMC, Dixon, DCB Bank, Persistent, Castrol, SGVN, Orient Electric, Balkrishna Industries. Please go down. You guys, please go down. Next slide.
Yes, yes.
Well, go down. Hexaware, Trade Access, Relaxo, Fine Organic, Mahanagar Gas. Okay, so you can take a note of all the company. If you want, you can take a picture. Okay. So these are some of the companies where institutions are buying these shares, and in the app also it is buy or strong buy. Okay. How many people would like a repeat of this? So I'll explain again what we are trying to tell you. How many want a repeat? Okay, me, yes, please repeat. Okay, so I'll start again so that you can understand the concept. First, go to the PPT. I'll go step by step so you can write down. It takes time to learn certain things. So you go, I'll take you step by step. So this is what we see in the app. Santosh will take you to the app. You understand the concept, then you see the same thing in the app for each share. So again, I'm telling you, shareholding pattern of mutual funds and foreign portfolio investors are declared every quarter. Okay, mutual funds declare it monthly, but that is not the right way to see. We have to see the holistic picture. Okay. Are we clear? Mutual funds, portfolio investors, and this. So this is a very, very important thing to know. Once you understand this, the day, when is it released? When is the data released? The data is released after every quarter. So by 21st April, the data should be released. From 21st April, the data should be released. Due to the COVID scenario, the government extended this data till 15th of May. Today is 20th of May. So the vendors are still collating the data and sending it to us. So we made this file, very quickly so that we can share something very good with you. Because every quarter, I usually share the top shares which mutual funds are buying with everyone, which also is in my buy, which I want to show those 47 shares. So focus on those. Now we will go to the Excel sheet and see what is the data available. It is already live. Desktop version is already live. Okay, you can see this, Mohit. If you want to learn how to make this data, then you have to go to BSc. It cannot be taught here. It is not easy to teach you how to make this data. right? If you go to bseindia.com, you can see the data one by one. You cannot see the data all together. What we do is we collect all 1500 data and show you in a filter. Okay. Yeah, we will go back again, Sunilji. Can you play? Can I request? Just don't ask any questions. Okay. You just request you. Just wait for some questions because I get disturbed. Let's see the data. Okay. Where is the data? Percentage change, please. Percentage change of the data.
Okay, percentage. Okay. Yeah.
Please show all the data. Because put it all the data. Not 47 shares. I'll come back to 47.
Okay, sorry.
So now first we have collated all the data. So I'll show you all the data. Cell should be seen. I cannot see the category.
Cell?
Yeah, from the highest mutual fund holding.
Yeah. So should it contain sell or it should be only buy and strong buy?
It should be sell. So what is there is
Sell.
you can see that MF is selling
From MF, highest MF?
Yeah, from highest MF. Yes, please.
Yes.
You see, they
From
have
high.
Bharti Airtel and the institution is also changed. Can you hide public so that there is no confusion? Can you please hide public here? Can you please hide public here, please?
Okay. Sir, Storm has increased. I don't know whether they will. Yeah.
Yeah. See these two data, if you see Bharti Airtel, MF is plus and total institution is plus. Okay, but my app is showing sell, so I don't recommend. But you should have an idea that okay, Bharti Airtel, there is some buying going on. The second is we select ICICI Bank. Total MF is buy, but total institution is not buy, which I showed you in the app. That means we will not go for this share. Okay. So now what we will do, we will only select in which both are buy. Select only share which both are buy. Okay. Now we have only both are buy. It's a lot of data. Okay.
136.
So there are 136 companies. Now both are buy. I've removed the sell. Okay. Now if you filter, now if I go, I'll keep going because 1 second.
Okay.
I will tell you what to do, please.
Okay.
If you see each share, we have categorized in the app. So if you can see, there is one strong buy, Cholamandalam, then there is a strong buy, Shree Cement, then there is a strong buy. So we categorize, but we make the data for everything. So we know where is the mutual fund going on. But please remember, it is the fundamental data of Bharti Airtel is very bad. So even if mutual funds are buying, it does not mean that I will jump. You should not make that mistake, even if mutual funds are buying. Okay. So if you see mutual funds are buying, but my category sells, I will not buy. So now what I will do is, I will only show you those shares which fundamentally also I have recommended category, which is buy or strong buy. So I will change the category. So step by step, I'm taking you. Please put
Yes.
buy. Yeah.
Buy and strong buy.
So I have selected the category. So these are the 47 shares. Please take a picture, which also is fundamentally good. And even the institutions are buying. The institution never changes the category which I mentioned in the app. Are we clear with this? Right? So please take a picture and then I will scroll down. Take a picture of these shares. And please go down now. This is the second slide. Take a picture, then we'll go to the third one. Okay, so then have you taken the picture? Have you went to the third, Vikash? Vikash, did you go to the third slide?
Yeah. Yes, gone.
Now please take the picture. So these are all 47 share, which is buy in my app, and even the mutual funds and the institutions are buying. Now I will take questions only on mutual funds. Please keep your questions on mutual funds, please. Anybody wants still an understanding from the mutual fund, I will answer. I will not answer any other question, please, in the interest. Is it clear? Then I will go to the app and show you the app. Somebody wanted an app training, how you can see the app. So we are trying to, will the list change after June? Yes, the list will change after June quarter. Correct, Praveerji. That's correct. Thank you, Praveerji. It changes every quarter. Is it a good time? I cannot write. Please keep your questions to mutual funds, please. Thank you. What happens if I buy and they start selling because I'm investing based on old data? That is always a risk, but that is why you are, Mohit, we have categorized the strong buy and buy. So they have strong fundamentals. Strong fundamentals do not change in a day. But because of the COVID scenario, it can change. So I highly recommend, maybe because we had this COVID only came on 25th March and this data is till 31st March. So actually the right data to make money will be 30th June. On 30th June, if you know mutual funds are buying those shares, despite the lockdown, those will really do well in the next. If you understand this data, you keep learning about it for 3 months, you follow it. So when the June data comes in July, you are ready to understand this because it takes time. Okay, I'll take more questions. One second. Let me go up. That's too many questions. I'll go up. I'll answer only questions on mutual fund. Go up 1 second. What is 1 second? Go down. Keep the cash ready, wait till 30th June. Not wait till 30th, the data will be available after 21st July, Ashish. So then it will be benefit. It will be available after 21st July if the government does not postpone the date. Like this time they postponed the date. But we definitely expect to come by 15th of August. That should be the maximum date. Usually seem to be in opposite direction. Should be on side. No, not necessary. I don't know what is the full name. What is his full name? Nareshji, usually when F2 and MF are in the same direction, that share is the best, Nareshji. Can you show me the data on Bajaj Finance this way mentioned in last few sessions? Can you show the data of Bajaj Finance? Has the data?
Yes.
I'll show the data of Bajaj Finance. We are showing MF buying it in the app. I'll show you. First, let me show you Bajaj Finance. Yes, we'll show you, Kaushalji. I'll show you. So Bajaj Finance.
MF has bought.
MF bought institution. Total institution is sell. Total institution is sell. So there is actually institutions have been selling Bajaj till 31st March. Institutions have been selling Bajaj. Okay, value sold is about 841 crores. So they've actually sold Bajaj Finance till 31st March, but not a very big percentage. Any data on Tech Mahindra? Can you check Tech Mahindra? You can also check this on the app. Is Tech Mahindra updated? Right now, 4 in 10 companies are.
MF has sold 85 crore and they have total institution by however by.
Total institution is bought. MF is sold, but total institution. So both when it is plus, it is actually the best. That is what we are trying to teach you. When both are plus, that means you're very, very safe. Very, very safe. If both are not plus, then we are in a dangerous situation. We only update this data once in a quarter, Mr. Murali Krishna. Only once in a quarter. So then don't buy, Pravinji. Wait. F2 and MF both are buy. That is the best. That is what I'm saying. Okay, show HDFC Limited. Now you can check on the app, sir. If you have bought the app, you can check on the app. Because if I see each share, it will take a long time. We show an app. Okay.
What?
Huh?
Total institution has sold. MF has bought.
Also sold. Total institution. That means more people, intelligent people are selling HDFC. Okay, I'll show in the app also. I'll show you in the app also. We'll show you in the app. Yes. Tell me which share you want to see, Kaushal Dalal. I'll show you in the app. Kaushal Dalal, can you show which share? Kaushal Dalal, tell me which share you want to see. Kaushal Dalal. I'm waiting for Kaushal. Yeah, Reliance. Okay, go to Reliance. Has Reliance been updated? So you go to stocks research to select Reliance.
Yes.
So if you see Reliance, what has happened is quarterly MF
has bought.
FPI has sold and the total insurance. So they have sold only net. You should definitely see the total. Total is sell. So they have not bought Reliance in the last till 31st March. This band, this is correct, Tikamjanji. It is till the results of December. So about 150 companies' results have come till 31st March. We have updated that also. So by 30th June, all buy and strong buy recommendation changes usually once in a quarter after the quarterly results. Since entanglement, people F2 are buying and MF selling can be, we can't answer individual question. Total buy should be there. You know. This is only till 31st March, Aditya. Aditya, Reliance is only till 31st March. So we don't know what they have done in April and May. Because I think so the Facebook came only in April. It was not in March. After that, they got a big buy. This data is only till 31st March. What is the volatility of uptrend and downtrend in MF and institution? I did not get your question, Abdulji. Did not get your question. If you can ask. So where can we learn your Nifty strategy? Sir, let me answer question on mutual funds. Is there plus, plus, minus, plus? No, they don't help anything, Mohitji. Both are buying. This is the combination of all the mutual funds and F2s. One can set up, but not 40 mutual funds cannot set up. There are 250 mutual fund managers. There are 250 F2s. 500 people cannot do setting with each other. This is the total data. This is the total institution data. Again, Sandeep Kumar, I'll show you. Again, go to the PPT once more. I'll show you 1 second, Sandeep Kumar, 1 second. You can find one by one, Mr. Lata Ghosh. Go to bscindia.com and go to shareholding pattern. Lataji, you will find it. Go to bscindia.com and go to shareholding pattern. You will get it. So if you go by, it is not my data. This is not my data. This is data which is publicly available. This can be available everywhere. What I have done is I have just made the strategy in a way so that I know what mutual funds are buying and who's selling. That you will not get properly everywhere. Because are you showing what I was telling you? Again, I repeat, this data is publicly available in all the websites. Let's say I buy now as a mutual fund shareholding has increased and in next quarter it is totally negative and next quarter became positive. I mean, is mutual fund a long-term shareholder? Does this case of volatility happen? I usually I've seen that if you follow the mutual fund and you hold the share for a year, you usually make money, Abdulji. But because of the COVID scenario, I recommend please check the data of June and then decide. March data can be a veil because all the problems started from 25th March. So March data may not be correct. But try to see the data, try to learn the data. Don't take any buy and sell position today. Learn the data, understand it, and take a decision after June data. This is what I would recommend, Mr. Abdul. Okay. These again, somebody was asking me what is total. Total is when all the companies data is total. So I'm showing you mutual fund, foreign institution, then others, and then total is all inclusive. So the total is most important. This is what public do not know. They only follow MF or FPI. You should know the total. So if MF has bought 1%, foreign institution have sold 2%, then the net total is -1. That is not good. If MF has sold 1% and F2 have bought 2%, the net is +1. That is good. So what I have done is, where does the mutual fund get trapped? The public get trapped. They do not see the total. Does that answer your question, Mr. Sandeep? You do not see the total. You should see the total which I have given very clearly. If you miss the total, you will not know how to see the data. No, this data is only available once in a quarter, Ravchana Sharma. Please, I recommend, this is the public data released by the company once in 3 months only. But if you study once in 3 months, that is very good. You can take Kaushal Dalal one training. Whoever wants mutual fund training, I can give you one-to-one training of your share by my people. So if you're looking for one-to-one training, because you might have a lot of questions, you want to share your own shares, my people can give you free 1-hour training. So if you're interested in the training, please give your phone numbers. My people will call you and then you take the training. One by one, understand the mutual fund data. Please understand right now, following the mutual funds will become very important. Maybe not for March, but for June, it will become very important. Because if all the companies are closed, which mutual fund are buying? Okay. So please take the free training from my people on mutual funds. They can also give you Nifty training. So please give your phone number, because we have the numbers of everyone because you have registered. Why we are asking for the number, we'll specifically call you first and give you training. We have all the people, but if you want training, we can give you properly. Yes, basis 3 months, what we arrive at. Oh, Mr. Swami Reddy, tell me one share. I'll tell you about one share. Swami Reddy, please tell me one share. I can train you on the app. Please share me one share you want to know about. Britannia. Okay, show Britannia. Has it come? Indiabulls Housing Finance, Britannia.
Okay.
Just check if the data has come. Right now, only 4 in 10 companies data has come. It will come in the next 2-3 days. Most of the data will come. You can, Mr. Kedar Joshi, you can learn from my team one-to-one, because today I wanted to focus on mutual funds. I can't repeat my sessions, Kedarji. Please take a one-to-one training from my company. If I'm more interested in short-term buy sell, Swami Reddy, then you take a training, Swamiji, on Nifty and derivative strategy. That is a short term. Please take a 1-hour training. Give your phone number. My person will give you the number. I have the numbers, by the way, of everyone, but I'm telling you, give the number. Sorry again, so we'll call you first. And please only give the number to the panelists. Don't give to the attendees. Please select only panelists. Only I can only see your numbers. As it is, I have your number also. So my person will give you one-to-one training. What share were you showing? Britannia has come?
Britannia.
Okay, somebody wanted to see Britannia.
Updated.
Britannia updated. If you see, quarterly MF plus, but FPI has sold. Net is sold. So net quarterly institution is the key. Can you check 1.2% sold? Somebody had asked this question. So whatever training you need, if you need MF training, you need Nifty training, they can give 1-to-1, 1 hour free training to you. Why MF are buying? See, that we don't know. You know, sometimes they have certain information they are buying, but I cannot tell you why they are buying. One reason they can buy is because there is a huge increase in data. People are really bought a lot of data in their houses. People who did not buy any data ever, many people have bought data. So definitely we have to check. So with the data buying, Airtel should do well in June quarter, can do well. That is where they are buying.
Indiabulls Housing Finance.
Indiabulls Housing Finance, yes, data updated.
FPA exited.
Has sold 7% Indiabulls Housing Finance.
No, this is not updated yet, huh? December 19.
Don't show.
Okay.
Please don't show what is not updated, please.
Okay.
Okay, any other questions people have, please, and how to use app thoroughly. Please take a training, Santoshji. They will give you one-to-one training. Have you taken training from my people? They will train you on how to use the app one-to-one. Santoshji, please give your number, take training. I'm providing the training to everyone. That data is not available. Their shares are available, but only the shares is available. What is the question? Tikam, should we buy stocks which are already way above the fair value, still growing, like Abot India? Anupamji, you have to attend my course to understand this. First, there are steps how to invest in a share. So Anupamji, first we have to see the profitability, ROE and this, and then you go back. Yeah, desktop version is come, Cheryl. Yeah, yes, thank you. I did not get your name. How to pick quality stocks from? I don't understand. What's your name? Who said the desktop version is good?
Yeah.
Good MFs. You can take training, Mr. Minal Kandi. I hope you're my customer. How you describe strong buy? You have to attend my training, Kushal, 5-day training. It's a huge thing. I cannot train you in 10 minutes. There's a lot of intelligence behind it. So from 1st to 5th, I'm giving a 5-day training for 15 hours. You join that, you'll understand that. Yes, they are moving. Yes, Aditya, that's correct. So please take training, Minalji. You can call up and they will train you. I think so. Nobody has any question. We should end. We are already 8 minutes ahead. So if you want mutual fund training, because the data is available right now, if you want mutual fund training, Vikash, give the Excel to everyone.
Excel.
Yeah, because the app is not updated. App is not updated, right?
Yeah, so I should send the Excel.
Yeah, so that they don't know. You can not. They can just train them. Please comment on what, Amrishji. So the June data will be more better to consider. Maybe we can repeat this session after June data. That's correct, Aditya, but you practice. After June data, you practice today, buy the app, understand, be weekly, be in touch with us so that you are prepared. You don't go in the battlefield in June. You try to practice today. Rachna ji, please give a call. They will train you. If you're given your number, they will call you. So thank you very much. Last fusion, Bajaj Finance is strong by right from me. It's fallen a lot now because of the sector problem, you know, Aditya. Many shares have fallen, especially financial sectors have really fallen. Whoever wants training, please, this Excel sheet is not shared with anyone. All data is available in the app. I'm still okay on Bajaj Finance. Somebody was asking me. It's free training, 1 hour. Deepak ji, please give your phone number. If you want Nifty app training, you want MF training, or you have any other question, you want to discuss your personal share, take that training. Okay, people who are, please, if you go on my app, you can actually check. Take the training, SLV Ramesh, my person can tell you, which is a good share in pharma sector. No, Kunjanji, we have changed to 1st June. I have something very important next week, so I've changed it to 1st June. What is your app? How I get your app? Show them the app now. Show your app details. Pehla page ready hai kya, Vikash?
Yes, app. This is app.
App ka page dikha dena. So this is an app. Na uska value stocks, name, contact person. So you can download value stock app.
Yeah, ready hai. Showing, just a second.
The 5-day training is 7,500, Kiranji. I will personally give you step-by-step learning. How to use the 5 principles and how to find good stocks. You can take a free training, Punitji, first. You can download the app, take the free training, understand many things, and then you decide to buy.
Yes.
They can also give you 1 or 2 days of free usage of the app also. Okay? So please take free training first and then you decide. That is a paid training which I will be doing for 15 hours from 1st June, Prakashji. Can you please change the training timing starting 6 p.m. in the evening? You have to check, Kunjanji. Because people want to, they have dinner time, so they'll not be free. 1 or 2 days can be given to you, Mr. Narayan. Please call up my person, take the training, they can give you 1 or 2 days. Mr. Prakashji, the cost of the app is 4,000 for a year. Please take a free training and then decide. Understand whether you like it or not. There are different strategies on the app, but first understand there are many things which you can learn in the app. I think so. There are no more questions. So how to enroll for your training? My training, you call up my person. There's a number 8336087004. You call up him and he will organize your training, Sunilji. If you can give your number, they will call you. Then you can join from 1st of June. Aditya, we don't trade, we don't buy like this extreme fear. We buy from fundamentals. Cost of app is 4,000 a year, Mr. Narayan. First take a free one training and then decide. We don't give targets like this, Mr. Murali. We don't share any PPT, Mr. Swami Reddy. I think so. You should take a one-to-one free training, use the app free for 1 or 2 days, see what is available and then decide. This is the best way. That is not expensive, Mr. Narayan. Just check, take a free training, then you decide. Yes, we update the data every day, Aditya. So when the data is updated, all the category, everything changes. 1 or 2 days sufficient? Mr. Murali Krishna, you have to attend my training. We check step by step how to decide a stock also. You can take app training, you can take mutual fund training, you can take Nifty training. They can train you on many things on the app. You spend time taking training, many things will be done. So we request, we have 118 people. If you have any questions, if you don't have questions or you don't want training, you can leave the group so that we can close the session. We request people to please leave the group if you don't have any questions or anything, or if you don't want any training. We are trying our best, Minalji. So this is also the way to share, and then obviously by sharing good knowledge, then only you can become my customer. So you have to first share good knowledge and then you can become my customer. We don't give you, if you take my training, Kesari Soswal, please take the training. They will tell you about Cadila Health. Yes, FNO KLV is very useful, Mr. Deepak Rathod. It is very useful. We have FNO strategy, we have derivative strategy. You take the training and they will show you the strategy also. Yes, they will give you the trial, Kashmira. They will give you a trial. You take the training, they will give you a trial for 2 days. Thank you, Geeta. Thank you so much for your, please join again. There is no result corner or new developments or companies. Can we add this feature also? We have a stock alert. What is that question? Sorry, who was that? Who was that? We have 86 people. If you have any questions, somebody asked a question. Can you ask again? There was some question which I missed. Stock alerts on price. No, we don't want to trade intraday. We don't trade intraday. You buy, you don't need stock alerts on price every day. We are not an intraday broker, Aditya. We go only 2 days, Vijayji. 2 days is good enough. Subscription charge is 4,000 rupees a year. You can check. Yeah, you Mr. Ravindra, you take the NFT training. They will train you how you can use options. You can see in the app, or you can take the training, Mr. Oswal. Right now the session is closed, so I can't give you personal share views. Please download the app, take training. Anudeep, they will train you if you want to learn. It will be very difficult to give one share to each 200 people. So they can tell you about SWSL. We have 68 people. We request you, if you want any training, app, Nifty, MF, please give your phone number or please exit because we have to close the session.